Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi 11T and I will show you how fingerprint sensor works in this smartphone. You can find it right here on the right edge. Let's make a few tries. Let's find out how fast it is. As you can see, the sensor is fast, it's reliable, it's short delay between unlocking and touching sensor, but it works really good. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.